my
Oh
God.
my gosh! Oh my gosh!
You need the rope. Pick it off.
I believe I can fly. He's hanging there.
Pick it off.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, that knot's coming undone. Hey. Hey,
Don't say that.
Brady, bring it up.
That knot's not really coming undone, is it?
No. I'm more worried about the rope wearing out between the tree.
Pick it up.
Surely.
Gary will catch him.
He's got nothing to push on to try to lift that up. Well, then see, there's the power line, so we can't let it touch the power line. Oh my gosh.
Whoa! Whoa! Pick it up.
What if it runs out of gas and we can't back it up?
This is like a 700-pound branch here.
Holy moly. This only happens in Ingalls, guys.
I know.
Hey.
Welcome to Ingalls.
What do you say?
Got the rope tied up. What more do you want? It's 700 pounds. Hey, let's help him with that
It's
2x4.
700 pounds.
Yeah, but he's on this way. He's coming down.
Watch the knot that he's tied on. Put it up, Josie, up. Hey, you put it down. Put it down. Yeah, cool. Yeah, you take it back. I'm gonna get on muddy.
I can't do nothing with it. You want that saw? What do you want me to do? You want that saw? Sure. Let me back down and grab my.
Super tubby.
Let my package have a rest, would you?
Oh my gosh.
Hand me the saw, let me down, and then I'll get the saw. Hey, let us come back.
Let
slow.
me down.
No, hey, back
You stand back.
Brady, do super tubby.
Hey, all you need is some gray hair dye and about 8 reindeer.
8 reindeer. Holy moly. Oh my goodness.